Hi. Today I will guide to verify your email address for free. Each account when registering will have a green badge. They will see the badge when you email them. This is the website address where you will register for the certificate to verify. Enter your email address. I will choose Gmail as an example in this video. Agree to their new terms to get a free MIME certificate. Copy this code to their website, wait a few minutes and you will get a new certificate file. Save this password. You will need it to create a certificate for your computer. Here is the certificate they created for your Gmail. Download it. Install this certificate on your computer. Follow the steps I am taking. If you have any problems with the installation, ask questions in the comments section. To see the certificates you have installed on your machine, go to Manager User Certificates. If you have multiple devices, export this certificate and install it. In the video I will export these two certificates. Next, I will install this certificate into my Gmail. This is the Gmail I originally signed up for in the video. Next, I will add the computer's certificate in this Gmail. If I work too fast, please adjust the speed or stop in the video. I have added my computer's certificate to this Gmail. Now I will proceed to send one mail to myself, and check the results. Initially you will not see the certificate when creating a new message. Select the option and add it. Emails that add a certificate, when sent you will see a red check mark in that mail. On webmail you will also see it is authenticated. I will now send the mail to another email address that I have set up on my phone, my company email. Go to your phone and check your inbox in the iPhone's Mail app. You can see I have received the email and have seen the green tick badge in my phone. If you don't have the same results as me, leave a comment below, I will help you. I would like to end the video here. Wish you a productive work.